Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope all of you are doing really good. This is Mahia here and welcome to my channel Mahia Eats. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a street style vegetable chicken chow mein in less than 15 minutes. So let's start chopping the vegetables. Now we were going to boil our noodles or chow mein, whatever you call it. So I'm taking in, you can take any kind of noodles or chow mein which is little bit thicker. Don't use the thin ones because thin ones try to overcooks very easily. Now we're going to add oil in our wok. So please ignore my messy kitchen because I'm filming this while I was working in our restaurant. So after service it's quite messy, so hope you will understand. So after making our oil hot, I'm going to use 2 teaspoon chopped garlic. You can add ginger as well, but we don't usually use. Now I'm going to add egg and chicken strips. We always put egg and chicken strips mixed together and then we didn't add any kind of salt or pepper or anything, just the chicken strips and eggs. Now we are going to fry the chicken strips and eggs together with the garlic until the chicken cooks properly. Sometimes some people ask, chicken's not going to cook well, or no, it's going to be raw. No, it doesn't stay raw. It takes only 2 to 3 minutes to cook because it's thin strips. Now I'm going to add slices of onion. After frying for a few minutes, I'm going to add other vegetables. Here I have used cabbage, carrot, and green capsicum. You can use whatever you want to use, but usually in the street style or the restaurant style chicken chow mein, we only use these types of vegetables. So I'm not going to use any other kind. So after frying the vegetables, as you have seen, I haven't added salt yet because there is a trick. If you add salt at the beginning with all the vegetables, then the vegetables will water will release from the vegetables and the vegetables will become soggy. So after frying for another 3-4 minutes, we are adding our chow mein. So now you're going to fry it very nicely, and still we didn't add any kind of masala, spices or salt. So after frying for a few minutes and mixing them together nicely, then we are going to add all other things we need. So now we are adding chirasa chili sauce or any kind of chili sauce or hot ketchup, whatever you have, you can add it. And now we're going to add salt and sugar and some monosodium glutamate or tasting salt or ajinomoto, whatever you call, but very little. So salt and sugar is must. Sometimes we think that we're not going to add sugar, but sugar is a necessity in any street style Chinese, Indo-Chinese food, whatever we call it. So sugar and salt and ketchup or chili sauce goes very well together. Now mix it well or mix it properly. As you can see, our vegetable and noodles and sauces are mixed together. Now we are going to add some soy sauce, and if you can add some oyster sauce. And at the very last, we are going to add some sweet green chilies and some spring onion. So as I was filming it while working, so I couldn't record all the parts, but hope you have understood what is the main thing about the restaurant style chow mein. So it's very easy, no rocket science. If you follow my step-by-step procedure, you can do it. So I'm using the chili paste. We just blend normal green chilies with some little bit of water in it. So we are going to use this one and some soy sauce. So voila, my street style chow mein is ready, chicken and egg chow mein. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you like, please do subscribe and press the bell button. I will come back with a new recipe, but of course easy recipe. Hope you guys are well. Stays well. Bye bye.